Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is J James, and in this video I'm going to be showing you an application of which you can use to reduce your device's brightness much more below its original lowest brightness. Well, to explain what I mean, you can reduce your device's brightness to the lowest, and you can as well increase it to be at the highest brightness level. But with this application, I'll be showing you how to do that. So the name of the application we are going to be using is called Blue Light Filter. As you can see, Blue Light Filter. I have downloaded it here. You can download it on Google Play Store. I'll leave the link in the description below. So this is it, Blue Light Filter. So it is on my notification bar already, as you can see as well. So now, okay, let's open it. Now this is what this application can do. Now I've reduced my device's brightness to the lowest, and as soon as I turn this on, as you can see, it has different levels of color temperature, and you can increase its intensity. As you can see, you can increase its intensity, and as well increase the dimness of your device. So as you can see, at this moment my device is too dark. I've reduced its brightness to the lowest level. So as you can see, it is at the lowest level of brightness. Presently you can't see anything clearly. So this is the application. It's really okay. You can apply it mainly at night. As you can see, I set mine to on by 9 p.m. at night and off by 7 a.m. and I can use any of the color temperatures. So this is it. As you can see, from here you can turn on whether you want it to be on your notification bar. From there you can switch it on or switch it off. So this is it. It's a really interesting app, and you should like it just as I did. And this app comes with another app which can give you a relaxing song or a relaxation song, relax and sleep, as you can see. So it comes with another application which has that ability to give you that song, kind of sleeping song. Okay, so this is my own customized sleeping song. As you can see, it sleep 2, and it has started. You can set this for your baby. Isn't that okay? You can set it for your own self if you are the type that sleeps with this kind of song. So this is it. You can set different sounds. As you can see, you can set different sounds of your choice. And you can even time it on when it should stop. So that is the app. Really interesting, really okay. You should try it out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Peace out.